back to another video. Today we are going to be playing 𝐬𝐨𝐫𝐫𝐲, and I'm going to be reviewing one of the new maps called Powerline. So basically Powerline is like arena game, and it's like really fun. So I'm going to be showing you the game. I mean, not the game. I mean, like the world. So let's get right into it. I really had to interrupt this part. I just need to find it. Basically, you can go like here like this. Usually I just chill on using the lines. By the way, this is actually has to be a short one. Sorry. I'm sorry. Hi, hello neighbor. Wait, can I be your neighbor? Alright, let's just get on. Hello? Alright, so we're gonna be playing this one map, 𝐬𝐞𝐞𝐞 World. Sorry, it doesn't mean the same map. Called Hello? And so also we're gonna be reviewing this one only up for a short amount of a time. Move, y'all. Hello? Hello?
Can I shoot it?
Please, yes, my mobile can join. Come on, mobile, come on, mobile, come on, mobile. Come on, mobile. Come on, yes! Alright, so here is only up. First one's very simple. See, you guys can't trust me, this part is easy. No! I'm gonna make this. I got this. Hey. Don't hit me. I'm reporting. Stop! I'm reporting you! Well, he hit me.
He said stop each time and he hit me off.
Yeah, I said stop and he didn't stop.